Welcome to this course, Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 3rd and Lecture 61, Welding and Basic Concept of the Welding Continue. Agenda for today present in this video, gas welding. Hmm, Gas welding techniques, left ward welding, right ward welding, flux, filler, and other topic is gas welding equipment, oxygen cylinder, acetylene cylinder, and regulator and torch. All equipment used in the welding operation. The gas welding techniques. The application of the gas welding techniques in are the gas welding techniques and use the use the two types of the gas welding techniques. Number one, left ward welding and right ward welding. Left ward welding is also present in the left ward welding. This welding is tip of the torch is held up to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. The plate at the filler rod is inclined at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, 30 to 40 degree angle, inclined angle, the opposite direction. In this method, the plate are heated heated immediately after the molten metal. Heated after the molten metal, the torch tip filler rod are moved slowly in the direction toward left. The right ward welding, welding the torch is kept at the 40 to 50 degree angle to job of the welded. The torch is moved toward right shown in the figure. Right ward welding is done for heavy section only. The right-ward welding also used only for the heavy section only part component. The gas welding techniques is used as the this is the workpiece, and this is the joint of the welding, and this is the tip of the torch. This is the torch, and this is the angle between surface of the workpiece to straight, and this between angle 60 to 70 degree angle. And the use of filler rod is the angle between the straight line of the job, is angle between 30 to 40 degree angle. The job, the direction of the welding is the right direction of the building is welded of the rod, and the completely work in this section. The left ward welding. Okay. And what is the flux? Flux is the chemical which deoxide the metal surface and provide insert the atmosphere around the molten metal are known as flux. Another diagram. This is the right word welded. Right word welding is the rightward welding is the this is the starting from the work at this end of the work is workpiece the direction of the welded of the workpiece and the angle between the right welded rightward welded is 40 to 50 degree, and this is the torch of the rod of the torch is the tip. This is the filler rod used for the filler rod and right wall welding equipment. Gas welding techniques is the gas welding technique. The main function of flux is given below. The prevent of oxide on the hot surface. The reduce the viscosity of molten metal, remove the viscosity of the molten metal and reduce the viscosity of molten metal and maintains the steady maintain the steady in case of arc welding. Flux is available as the liquid power fast of the gas and powder flux. The powder flux is sparked on the surface. We welded a filler rod and dispersed into the powder. Liquid plate fluxes are spared on the surface of welded gas. Flux are used to inert atmosphere around the joint of welded in the system. Classification of welding process. The and advantage of the right weld welding is gas welding. It take a long time of the heating the job compressed of the arc welding. The heat secondly the heat affected area is more, and this is the phone of the corrosion and the brittleness of the material is used in the gas arc welding. The gases are expensive and difficult to store. Expensive and difficult to store. The types of the gas flame. There are the three types of the gas flame: the oxidizing flame and carburizing flame. Second is the natural flame. These are the flame are used in the gas welding and the I see for present in detail in this video. Filler. The rod is which is the provided the additional metal and completing to the welding is known as filler. Gas welding equipment. Use what is the gas welding equipment? The oxygen cylinder. First of all, oxygen cylinder. What is the oxygen cylinder? The cylinder at which store in this oxygen gas. This is the cylinder in present fill in present of the oxygen gas. This is known as oxygen cylinder. This is the safety nut. This is the safety nut of the gas cylinder, and this is the nozzle, outer nozzle, and the valve of the cylinder is open and close while working on if the gas open and gas out close. The protector cap. This is the all the protector. This is the all component. Hole is the protect for this cap of the protector cap of the cylinder head. The gas oxygen cylinder is the made of steel in capacity of range of 2.25 to 3.6.5 meter cube. The cylinder is filled with oxygen about the 150 kg per centimeter square at the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. The safety valve is also provided. The safety valve. This is the safety valve. A safety valve is also provided on it. The cylinder can be opened and closed by the help of the valve. While the operation the valve, the a protector cap is provided on the top of the cylinder. The protector This is the protector cap of the on top of the cylinder is safety guard is valve. This is the safety guard of the valve. The acetylene cylinder. The acetylene cylinder are also made of steel. Gas is filled at the atmosphere of the 18 to 20 kilogram per centimeter square. The capacity of the acetylene cylinder about 10 mm3, and it is supported for the regulator valve. This is the acetylene gas. This is the acetylene gas cylinder. Fill in the acetylene gas in the cylinder. Find the stone and safety fusion of plug. This is the safety fusion of the rod, and this is the uh, whole area of the protector cap, and this is the wall of the cylinder, and this is an inner to the safety fuse plug. The safety fuse plug and protector cap. This is the neck for this is the portion of the stone clutch of and long fiber of abstract. This is the long fiber of abstract mixture of woods influence shears of the silicon porous and metal. This is the porous metal is made of the body of the acetylene cylinder. Safety fusion plug in application on the safety fusion plug in the acetylene cylinder. The safety plug also provided on the bottom of the cylinder. Safety pin right on the bottom of the cylinder. When the filler into the cylinder and acetylene is dissolved in acetone. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the gas welding equipment. Some of the present the equipment and later.